These are the 11 types of pegboard hooks, including racks and storage holders for your home, workshop, craft room, or garage. This guide provides the different hook options to help you find the ones that are best for your needs. J-hook. You can align 2 or 3 J-hooks horizontally on a pegboard to hold longer items such as brushes, hammers, wrenches, and the like, as long as they can fit on the inner loop. You can also use J-hooks to hang larger items like garden or power tools, cables and extension cords, and even sports equipment. Angled L-hook. The angled L-hook is another popular type of pegboard hook that is also named according to its shape and is characterized by having a wide, straight projecting arm. This wider profile allows you to hang on items with larger widths such as tapes, handsaws, coiled wires, and the like. Ring tool holder. The best pegboard hook for hand tools is the ring tool holder, characterized by a 2-ring prong fastened to your pegboard with a U-shaped end. Double hook. Use double hooks with protective round nylon endings to prevent dents or scratches on your tools. The double arm is also great for holding down heavier items. These hooks are also great for hanging items like larger hand or power tools. Multi-tool rack. These racks are useful for hanging the same tool in a variety of sizes, such as different screwdrivers, so you can quickly find what you need. Pliers holder. Your pliers can be hung by the handles or jaws and securely stored so they're not in contact with other tools. Shelf bracket. This type of hook mainly supports the shelf where items such as paint cans, bins, and other equipment can be placed freely without being hung or clipped on a pegboard hook. I-hook, or industrial hooks. These I-hooks are great for retail displays and are similar to shelf brackets but are meant to support individual items. Screw bins. They are very useful if you have many different types of screws or bolts and want to keep them organized. Steel trays. Steel trays can be a hanging bin for organizing odds and ends or storing nails, screws, or bolts. Paper towel holder is a useful pegboard hook for any garage or workshop that helps you keep a hand free while working. Please visit designingidea.com for more information, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.